Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix encrypt contents to secure data option grayed out in Windows 11, 10. First method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set. Click and expand file system, open NTFS, disable encryption, change value data to 0. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Third method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open encrypting file system, change startup type to automatic, click start, click apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.